Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to Avalon Public School at home. Children, in previous class I told you about the story of Nelson Mandela and connectors. Okay, so have you remember what are connectors? Word that connect two sentences or two parts of a sentence without changing their meaning are called connectors. Then and connect, how many types of connectors are here? Like sequence connectors and reasoning connectors. In today's class we are going to learn alga 10 unit 5 sr 16 17 18 and 19. So before start this, let's learn some good manners. So children, we all should take bath every day because it's very important to be healthy. If we are taking bath every day, then we will be away from dangerous diseases. Okay, many types of fungus, allergies, we will be stay away. So children, we all should take bath every day to feel fresh and energetic. Now let's come on our topic. So look page number 21, open your Alga 10 book SR 16 page number 21. Here I am telling you oo sound like cookie. What is cookie? Cook, wool, look, brook, shook, book, stood, took, good. Here is the two vowel o that sound oo. Next we will see u vowel sound. It also sounds oo, that is butcher, bullet, pudding, bush, push, pull, full, bull and put. Let's see that how we use these words. So Brooke, let's make a pudding, said mom. Brooke could not cook. She was not a good cook. Brooke is the name. She stood in the kitchen as mom wanted her to learn. Mom gave her a cookbook, but Brooke took a look at the book and shook her head. She put the book at the table. Please do not push me, mom. I do not want to learn how to cook. So this is the use of these words. Now let's come on next SR 16 page number 22, founder of Singapore. So it is written by Komal Ramchandani. Singapore, a small island nation, okay, was ruled by other countries. It got separated from Malaysia and got independence in 1965. Singapore did not have many natural resources. Do you know what are natural resources? Materials such as minerals, forest, water and fertile land that provided by nature. That's called natural resources. So how did it become one of the world's most powerful countries? The success of Singapore is due to the efforts of Lee Kuan Yew. He is often called the founding father of Singapore. So, who is the father of Singapore? That's Lee Kuan Yew. Lee Kuan Yew became the country's first prime minister. He was in office from 1965 to 1990. For 25 years, he was the prime minister. So, what did he do that transformed Singapore to an advanced nation? Transformed means changed. So, Singapore is a port. What is port? Singapore is a port, a place where shipping activities take place. Lee used this as an advantage for Singapore, the port was used for many trading activities to exchange and import goods. He made good policies. Policies means plannings, which got other countries to do business with Singapore. He provided housing and employment to his own people. Many people think that Lee's style of working was too controlling, means everybody was used to think that Lee was controlling them. He had a strict control over the press. He didn't allow much freedom of speech. He took all the decisions and didn't allow any corrupt practices. In an interview, Lee Kuan Yew said, "You are entitled to call me whatever you like." Means you can say anything to me, but that doesn't make me one. Do I need to be a dictator when I can win hands down? So, if I am dictator, you can down your hands. So it is a very famous quote that is written by Lee Kuan Yew, that is, at the end of the day, what have I got? A successful Singapore. What have I given up my life? Open next page, SR 19, page number 24. He made Singapore a country where there is a system and order. Lee Kuan Yew is rightly called the man who created Singapore. He is considered the architect of modern Singapore. Architect means creator. He was a great world leader. He died at the age of 91 in 2015. Okay, children. So, who was the father of Singapore? Lee Kuan Yew was the father of Singapore, and he was also Prime Minister of Singapore. Okay, children. So now revise this concept and try to complete all question answers related to this SR in your workbook. Next, we will meet soon. Okay, children. Till then, take care of yourself.